My name is Sam. Sam I am. That's Sam I am. That's Sam I am. I don't like that. Sam I am. What do you like your name to him? No, I don't like them. Sam I am. Take him away. Would you like them here or there? I'm not like them anywhere. What you told you with the mouse? I will not touch that with the mouse. Not what you told you with the fox. I would not touch you with the fox. You will try them, and you may. Here they are. I will not like them tail or tail. I will not on the train. Sam, let me be. What you took you with a dot? Here, try them, and you may. What you took you with a wing? No, not in the way, not. Sam, let me be. What you took you with a goat? Here, you try them. What you took you in a boat? You try them, and you may. I will not like them in a boat, not in a train, I'll not like them anywhere. So you don't like them. Sam, if you let me be, I will try. Say, I do like them. I'll eat them with the fox. I'll eat them with the mouse. I will eat them with the goat and in the dog and on a train. Thanks, Sam I am. The end.
Thank you.